away from the reopening of things today, there's a lovely story that's been doing the rounds over the weekend on social media. It's been shared left, right and centre. School assembly bangers. These songs that take you straight back to sitting with your legs crossed on a cold school hall floor. Amazing work from a guy called James B. Partridge. He was a TikToker. He's also a singer, a teacher, a pianist. He's done a top 10 of the best primary school assembly bangers. They seem to be timeless. Here are the first 5 for you.
This is my top 10 primary school assembly bangers. Who put the colours in the rainbow? When I needed a neighbour, were you there? Were you there? He's got the whole world in his hands. One more step on the world I go. There's water, water of life.
I wasn't that familiar with Water of Life. I must admit.
I don't know the Water of Life one. I remember that there'd be some kind of like junior teacher made to stand up with a board with all the lyrics on it, and you just kind of like
yeah. Well, no, I remember it was always the overhead projector.
All right, Bill Gates. Well, it must be like one of those amazing presentations that Apple do every now and again.
Huge clunky machines. It was just a mirror, basically, wasn't it? Some lights.
The cool teachers would call it the OHP.
The OHP, yeah.
The OHP was unnecessarily large and clunky. Basically, it's a torch.
Yeah,
it doesn't need to be this big.
In a mirror. and they'd always put it on wrong. They write the lyrics on the acetate sheet, and they'd put it on upside down. They go, oh no, I'll just turn it around every single time.
That moment of like, what fresh hell is this going to be? That's surely going to be displayed in front of my child's eyes.
Yeah, but that was what it was all about. These great songs from school assemblies. Here are the top 5.
No one mustn't forget. No one mustn't forget. Dance and wherever.
Oh yes, bro.
This little light of mine. Shine. Give me all in my life. Keep me burning.
Oh, it's a classic.
Oh yeah.
Till the break of day. Shine. The Father's glory place.
Oh, beautiful.
Let there be light.
Oh, so nice, isn't it?
What a lovely thing.
I smell a new Absolute Radio spin-off station coming. I would listen to
Absolute
that
Radio
all day long.
Assembly.
Yeah, Absolute Radio Assembly. You'll be talking about it later and I've saved your data.
The Dave Berry Breakfast Show Podcast. Absolute Radio.